What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Just figured to do a quick video. I'm changing out my coil pack connectors. You can see that is broken. Mainly this part of the clip. They all, they're just not springing back like they're supposed to. Or, see, that one sprung back like it's supposed to. I think it was this one, number 4, is just completely missing. So this is also giving me random misfire on cylinder 4, along with a voltage drop code. I'll throw up the photo of it right now. The code is giving me, I thought it was something to do with the tune, but I finally came out and looked and realized this connector was getting a little wiggly. Clipped it on and the code went away, so I bought 4 new OEM connectors. There you go, there's the part number, 4BO973724. So I got these off FCP Euro, $12 per connector, I believe. So this is my last one to change. See, that one's shattered, just like, well, not anymore, but these are all brand new. I changed these 3, so I figured I'd show how to change the last one. So let me get a light on, I'll show you. All right, so there it is. That's what the connector looks like. This one actually is okay, but they're just not holding like they used to. And I'm here, so why not change them all? But basically this purple pink connector, you're gonna want to slide it over. You can see there's a notch at the top, kind of, it's pointing down the arrow. There's 2 of them. You want to notch it over 1, so you just get like a, little pocket screwdriver, kind of sneak it in the back here. This is really gonna be hard to do with one hand, but you're just trying to pry it over basically. Right there. You can see it went a little too far. Right there, there's your 1 notch. That's all it takes to release them. Once you have that, you get a set of electrical, I don't know what these are called, keys, like to remove them, connector keys maybe. I got a whole bundle of them. This is the one that, sorry, got a whole bundle of them, but this is the one that works for these coil packs. So you're literally just gonna take it, insert it into that, just like that. I don't know if you could hear that click, but that's all it takes right there is the click. And you can, sorry again, there you go. It's pushing the 2 connectors out, or the 2 locking tabs basically. And you can just push and force it through, push really hard, which I'll try and show. Really hard with one hand, or if you have the pins unlocked, just grab the wire from the back and it'll pull, which I'll try and show you. Definitely not gonna be able to. Really hard to show. You just got to give it a really good push and a wiggle. You can see this is sitting out farther than the rest, so I'm just gonna go through and push them. I'll try and, there's nowhere good to set the camera. Hopefully you can see that enough. Again, push this in, listen for the little click right there, and then just kind of wiggle as you go. Right there. Sink in, get the next one. That one pushed all the way through. That one's fighting me. Right there. So, hopefully you can see that, just barely. Let me try and get a better angle. There you go. So you can see the little rubber grommets are all the way at the end. Compared to these, they're pushed all the way down. So now if you're very gentle, you can just pull this out and remember the order they went in. Or I've just been pinching the wires like this and pulling the connector off, which I'll show you, hopefully without losing it. Your 4 connectors, same order they went in, and then you just feed them into the new connector. And then you're just gonna kind of work it on. Which again is really hard to do one-handed, but if you listen, you'll hear the clicks. There's one. I'm basically just gonna take a screwdriver, just feed these down. Listen for the click again. Right there. There. There's that one. There's that one. So you really want to make sure those are seated all the way in. Otherwise you're gonna have the same problem with random misfires, but those are seated. You can look at the plug. See, they're all, I wish it would focus on it. There you go, you can see they're all seated up to the end. And then you're just gonna push this pink connector back in. Which, again, really hard to do with one hand, but you can get your screwdriver pretty much on the back of this connector and just push. Just like that. There you go. It's snapped all the way in. It's on that second notch. Those are all good. So, hopefully if you're having a misfire problem, I would check your coil pack connectors, because number 4 on mine was giving a misfire code, but it was also giving a voltage drop code or something weird. I'll throw it up on the screen so you can see. It didn't, or I thought that I had a bad coil pack, but this is the first check. The other thing also is just taking off your coil pack cover, but it's just little push tabs. It's a 2-piece cover. So you just put that back on at the end, clip your coil packs in, and good to go. So that's gonna be it for this video. Catch you guys on the next one.